We thought we'd make this report for you to show you the results of what your visibility is around the city here. And if the dots are all in a red or a light orange color, that means you're not even showing up on any of the Google Maps searches, maybe in the top 5, maybe the top 10, not even the top 15. So when we scroll around and look at here, we see your name here, and on the right-hand side, it gives us the data as far as how you're ranking in the city. Now, often it appears that you were running ads of some type or another. Not sure how they're helping out, but if you're interested in learning more about how to get better visibility in the city for more jobs, by all means, just click the link and book a Zoom call with me, or just, get a call back or an email back, and we can definitely help you out, or at least look at different ways that we could help you out and make suggestions. Catch you later.